are back, day 10 through 20 here at 7 Farnsworth. The flip that Bez and Ali are working on. It's Chris Davis, your host with the Maine Renovation Show. And look, I don't know if you remember last week, but I see a lot of amazing progress. Let's take it back to show you where we were just last week. So I'm up here on the 2nd floor. This will be the primary bedroom with the ensuite bath. All right, I know I said in the first episode I wouldn't go in the basement until day 43, but they've already done so much work down there. I want to take you down because it looks so good. I haven't got across on video yet is it's like 90 degrees today. And Bez and Ali have their whole crew here. They are working hard, they are committed, and they are getting it done right. And so far on time. Okay, all right. What I see now is this driveway has been fully prepped. I see a ton of wood that's been delivered. And what I'm most excited about, I peeped last week, is this farmer's porch. So I see they have concrete pillars in the ground. And folks, when you see the geometry of that coming off this house, it is really gonna tie it together. Now let's see what they're doing inside. All right, inside, I'm already seeing all the sheetrock that has just been delivered. I'm seeing insulation in the walls and ceiling. The electric all looks good. Now, folks who are watching this, I just need you to know that this is a massive puzzle that you need to put together. So you don't want days without sheetrock that your walls are just sitting here. So what they do so well, Bez and Ali, is they coordinate the delivery of the decking, of the sheetrock, of the insulation, and then the contractors who need to come in and do all that work, because every day is costing them money. So the faster they can get everything here in the order it needs to be here, man, now that is where the magic of this renovation is happening. One thing you get used to is there's a lot of noise on a construction site. This is the back deck overlooking the backyard. I'm going to show you the backyard because I think in 10 to 20 days it's going to be totally different. And to be able to hang out back here where it's nice and quiet, it's going to be amazing. I always love when I come here and I just hear all these noises and I have no idea what's going on. So I hear a lot going on upstairs. So let's go check it out. Oh, they're hanging sheetrock. I always think this is amazing. Check this out. Little tip I picked up along the way are the different colors of sheetrock. So right behind me we have purple. That's because in this bedroom there's an ensuite bathroom, and the purple material is moisture resistant, so you're less likely to have any moisture issues, which we know kills houses. So purple sheetrock. All right, so there we have it. We are day 11 through 20 here. Things are moving along. Now I go inside and I think, man, you still have the vanities, you still have the flooring, you still have all the outlet covers, the whole kitchen. But Bez and Ali, they say they have got this down and they are moving quick. So I don't know, we'll see. To me, it still feels like we got a long ways to go, but one thing's for sure, everyone inside is working super hard. And oh, those berries, still so good. Be sure to catch us next week. Thank you so much. And if you have any properties you'd like us to check out, drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you.